become, became, become. She became a teacher last year. She became a teacher last year. Be, was, were, been. I was at school yesterday. I was at school yesterday. Break, broke, broken. He broke the window yesterday. He broke the window yesterday. Begin, began, begun. The class began at 9 o'clock. The class began at 9 o'clock. Bring, brought, brought. I brought my book to school. I brought my book to school. Build, built, built. They built a new house last year. They built a new house last year. Buy, bought, bought. I bought a new phone yesterday. I bought a new phone yesterday. Catch, caught, caught. He caught the ball in the game. He caught the ball in the game. Choose, chose, chosen. She chose the red dress. She chose the red dress. Come, came, come. I came home late last night. I came home late last night. Cost, cost, cost. The ticket cost $10. The ticket cost $10. Do, did, done. I did my homework yesterday. I did my homework yesterday. Draw, drew, drawn. She drew a nice picture. She drew a nice picture. Drink, drank, drunk. I drank a glass of water. I drank a glass of water. Drive, drove, driven. He drove to the city yesterday. He drove to the city yesterday. Eat, ate, eaten. I ate pizza last night. I ate pizza last night. Fall, fell, fallen. She fell down the stairs. She fell down the stairs. Feel, felt, felt. I felt happy yesterday. I felt happy yesterday. Fight, fought, fought. They fought in the park. They fought in the park. Find. Found. Found. I found a coin on the street. I found a coin on the street. Fly. Flew. Flown. The bird flew away quickly. The bird flew away quickly. Forget. Forgot. Forgotten. He forgot his keys at home. He forgot his keys at home. Get. Got. Gotten. I got a new bike yesterday. I got a new bike yesterday. Give. Gave. Given. She gave me a gift. She gave me a gift. Go. Went. Gone. I went to the park. I went to the park. Grow. Grew. Grown. The child grew very fast. The child grew very fast. Have. Had. Had. I had breakfast at 8 o'clock. I had breakfast at 8 o'clock. Hear. Heard. Heard. I heard a strange noise. I heard a strange noise. Hold. Held. Held. She held the baby in her arms. She held the baby in her arms. Keep. Kept. Kept. I kept the letter in my bag. I kept the letter in my bag. Know. Knew. Known. I knew the answer. I knew the answer. Write. Wrote. Written. I wrote a letter yesterday. I wrote a letter yesterday. Win. Won. Won. They won the game. They won the game.